Today, afternoon, yes. Today we are en route to the San Antonio Falls in the Yemez Springs area.
San Antonio Springs?
Yes.
In the Yemez Spring Mountains?
Yes.
West of Santa Fe?
Ow, my ear just popped. We have an hour and 7 minutes until we get there. We just got some spicy Italian subs coming in clutch.
Wow.
Whoa. So we're up in the mountains right now.
I think that this was the road we were supposed to not go on and hike up.
But there's no place to turn around. His car is basically a tank, and these roads are not ones to be able to be turned on. And there's like a... You cannot. Look at this. It's dead down.
Oh god.
Like, I honestly don't know how far it's going to take us up, but... Oh! Look at that! I think we're pretty lost.
I don't know.
It's not showing anything.
We ended up here. You know where the heck? No, we had the GPS. So basically, we're in the complete wrong area. We're like up on some random ass mountain.
We're supposed to be like way over there, I think. He didn't know what the heck we were talking about. So yeah, we're going back down. So we stumbled across a random campground. Wolfie is over there trying to talk to some random people around this area and try to find a map, because we really do not know where we are. We are in like the middle of a forest now in the mountains. It's getting a little crazy.
Hit that road, turn left onto 4, hit 126. Well, we'll see an Amanda's store or something.
Amanda?
Yeah, and then past that, you turn right onto 126. You'll see the San Antonio Campground, and then you turn right just after the campground, and there will be the springs.
We made it.
We are in the area.
This is the beginning of everything.
The beginning of our adventure.
Woo! Wolfie can't make fun of me for my fanny pack.
I can't make fun of it, it's functional.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
What's your wish?
To get to the hot springs without getting attacked by cougars. Mysterious boulder. Boulder.
So mysterious, Boulder.
Why are you so mysterious, Boulder?
Update from the Adidas squad.
Adidas.
We're on a log in the forest.
On a log. Nobody's here.
Except the cougars. They're watching.
Hello. Anyways.
Yeah, ready to keep moving? What? Vulture nest on top.
Oh no. Waiting to swoop down and catch me.
Pick you up. Screeching. Ah. Every time I see something like this, it's like, it reminds me of planet Earth. Like especially up there, like to the cliffs.
Yeah.
I feel like there's be like, the wild mountain goat.
We're stumbling across some cows. Right, bye-bye?
That is correct. Cows.
So there's the barn thing that we need to pass. Yep. There's like a young bull looking at me. It's coming this way. That one? The black one? Alright, so we found an abandoned barn.
This is kind of creepy. I'm not sure I like it.
Are these stable?
This is relatively stable.
Ooh. Oh no. Oh, I see beds in there.
Do you have a flashlight?
No. I mean, on my phone. Ooh.
Eerie. This would be the place to use the Ouija board.
Oh no. Oh, that's really eerie in there. Did you see that bed in there? Just the springs. Nobody's in here, right? Oh. Haunted stories with Kate. But for real, okay. I need to like... Oh! You scared me. I didn't do that.
That was freaky.
The door just like closed. Babe, I don't want to like piss off any spirits. You okay? Ooh, this is a very springy bed. Otherwise, ooh, I don't like this. Girl. I think we're gonna head out. Oh, is that like... Yeah?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, that's scary. I feel like, I low-key feel like some kid is gonna get like a...
Yeah, I feel like we gotta get out of here before something happens.
The lights. We're in
Second building.
haunted place number 2. Oh, this is like... Whoa. Like... This is crazy. Don't leave me behind. This is kitchen. Oh, spider. So this is the famous view from the hot springs.
Not quite.
Still.
We'll be a little bit higher up.
Stripping in the woods. We're trying to find a spot to change and we're really exposed right here.
Very exposed.
Not a good plan. Maybe 5 miles later? We're here. Soaking in the mountain air. Our friend is living it. She's totally just sprawled out. That's gonna be me in 2 seconds though. We made it to the hot spring.
We're here.
Ah!
Look at that view.
Yeah, there's like little pools down here too. But it's crazy. We had to change like in the mountains up the hill. We almost fell a bit.
It was super steep.
I'm so excited we're here now. We made it! Wow.
We are here. Is it hot?
Gotta take it slow.
That hot, huh?
Yeah, come in. Come on, baby.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. Once you get in here, it's like hot.
Ooh, that's like really hot.
What are your impressions?
It's literally a hot tub.
It's gorgeous.
That's steamy.
Is it liberating?
Yeah.
How is it?
I love it. I wish it was a lot closer.
Yeah.
I'd be here all the time.
baby. Hi.
The plug. Shout outs to Hannah from Montana. Subway, best meal at the top of the mountain ever.
It is time to say goodbye. Lance is getting his stuff back on. Say goodbye to the beautiful view. I'm so sad. We are about to head down the trails again. We have about a 6-mile walk excursion. It just got really dark. I don't know if it's going to like storm or anything, but we are going back down. It's gonna be a long way. We only have 1 water bottle left. All right, the Adidas squad is officially en route back.
I got rocks in my shoe.
He's cleaning rocks in his shoe. But yeah, we have
1 bottle of water.
1, and we drank about 5 on the way here, so let's see how that ratio is gonna treat us.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's say goodbye to our creepy barn.
Goodbye, creepy barn.
Betsy! Don't we have to go down here? Hey! I kinda wanna walk by it. I swear the cows were farther away.
They were, they got closer. Yeah, they antagonized them first. Cows are docile.
Bye, baby moo-moos. Come. I hope Betsy finds.
Blooper!
I was so excited about Betsy. Okay, I'm done. It's starting to rain. It's a raining man. Hallelujah, it's a raining man. Yeah! Unicorn! Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, well, we're going to end the video here. We're going to focus on not getting attacked by cougars and
My head's getting cut off.
and staying alive, I'm short. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our little mountain adventure. Hot springs, you know.
Mm-hmm. It was fun.
Bye. Something is wrong. His brakes were just like smoking and we got stopped.
Whoa. 6-mile hike up some hot springs.
Want to tell him what just happened?
So the brakes started smoking real bad.
Yeah, so we were going down the mountains and like it's spaghetti roads at this point. And we get to an inspection station, which we hadn't gone through before. And they're like, oh, can I have your driver's license or something? And then they said like, by the way, do you know your car is smoking? So we looked back and there's just like
just the nastiest smelling smoke ever coming off my brakes. I'm like, oh no.
So yeah, we're at a pit stop. So I'm totally not trying to hide the fact that I forgot to film an outro like a long time ago, once upon a time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.